Now we start with question number 2 in this Expo questions for chemistry candidates. You are writing chemistry in your physics. Just pay attention. Let nothing distract you. We are starting with question number 2. What you are watching now is part 9. We have done series of Expo questions, expected questions, past questions and answers from part 1, part 2, part 3. What you are watching now is part 9. I just need you to know that, because after this particular part 9, I'll be referring you to start from part 1 to watch ahead. Chemistry is so important. Do I need to emphasize it? It's so important for you as a JAMB candidate, science JAMB candidate. So I'm doing everything I can to prepare you. We are starting with question number 2. Remember, what we are looking at are those chemistry questions that are not calculation based. We are not solving calculations here. We are focused on those areas, those ones that you don't need calculations, you don't need calculator to solve. Okay, are you ready? Have you removed every form of distraction? Let's move on. Which of the following can be obtained by fractional distillation? This one is SS1 work. A. Nitrogen from liquid air. B. Sodium chloride from seawater. C. Iodine from solution of iodine in carbon tetrachloride. D. Sulfur from the solution of sulfur in carbon disulfide. We are saying which of the following can be obtained by fractional distillation? The answer is A. Through fractional distillation, you can obtain nitrogen from liquid air. Nitrogen from liquid air. Let me give you the explanation. I hope you are following. Now, before I explain, I need you to know that what you are watching is something serious. You are not watching a Nollywood movie. This is not love in the air or love in everywhere. All these trending Nollywood movies. No, you are not watching an action film. You are watching something that will influence your future. So I need you to pay great attention. This is something that will determine whether you enter university or not. Fractional distillation of liquid air. An air separation unit is often called an oxygen or nitrogen generator, since its purpose is to extract one or both of these elements from the air. In the distillation process, the air is first passed through a filter that absorbs all the water vapor. An air separation plant separates atmospheric air with its primary components, typically nitrogen and oxygen, and sometimes also argon and other rare inert gases. The most common method for air separation is called fractional distillation. Now, assignment number 1. Tell me the difference between fractional distillation and distillation. When it comes to separation techniques, we have distillation, we have fractional distillation. Come on, write it down so that after this video you come under the comment. Tell me 2 basic differences between fractional distillation and normal distillation. Are you with me? Number 3. Duralumin consists of aluminium, copper, and dash. Duralumin consists of aluminium. Duralumin is an alloy, right? Duralumin consists of aluminium, copper, and dash. A. Zinc and gold. B. Lead and manganese. C. Nickel and silver. D. Manganese and magnesium. The answer is simple. The answer is D. Manganese and magnesium. I have an assignment, a second assignment. Define an alloy. What does an alloy mean? A-L-L-O-Y. Duralumin is an alloy made up of 90% aluminium, 4% copper, 0.51% magnesium, and less than 1% manganese. Okay, are you following? Remember, anytime I give an assignment, do not jump and pass. If you watch this particular video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you a gift. It will signal to me that you are one of the serious members of this channel. I will give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. These are the tools you need that will help you to write this exam and pass. Remember, our goal is to write and pass. Our goal is, I want you to claim it as I say it, that you will gain admission this year. That is our goal. That you will be among those that will score 300 and above in this JAMB. That when others are crying that they scored 130, 140, 170, you will be able to proudly show your result 300 and above. You will not waste any more year at home. You will enter school. Claim it, claim it, claim it. Type I claim it in the comment section. But then, as you are claiming it, let us be serious. Let us seriously continue preparing. Okay? An example of a polysaccharide. You know we have monosaccharides and polysaccharide, right? An example of a polysaccharide is dash A, dextrose, B, mannose, C, glucose. That is glucose, the starch. An example of a polysaccharide is A, dextrose, B, mannose, C, glucose, D, starch. The answer is starch. Assignment number 3. I'll be giving several assignments. You know the exam is closed and I already know what could come out. I already have an idea of where JAMB is going. That is why I'm selecting this assignment. Please find whether glucose is glucose polysaccharide or monosaccharide and give me the reason. Glucose, is it polysaccharide or monosaccharide? And give me the reason. A polysaccharide is a large molecule made of many smaller monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are simple sugars like glucose. Special enzymes bind these small monomers together, creating large sugar polymers or polysaccharides. A polysaccharide is also called a glycan. I hope you are learning. I hope you are learning. Look at this question. The best treatment for a student who accidentally poured conch, by conch we mean concentrated tetraoxosulfuric acid on his skin in the laboratory, is to wash his skin with what? If a student mistakenly pours tetraoxosulfuric acid on his body, what is the best treatment? A, he should wash his body with dash A, with cool running water. B, with sodium hydroxide solution. C, iodine solution. D, sodium triisonitrate 5 solution. The answer is he should wash his body with cool running water. With cool. I remember those days when we are doing back then when I was a lab prophet in Queen's Model, right? Queen's Model Secondary School. We organized this titration, and sometimes trying to use the pipette to get the base, we swallow. You know, those funny moments. Okay, let's look at this question. Question number 7. I want you to look at this graph very well. There is volume over temperature. This volume versus temperature graph. Look at this question. Which of the gas laws does the graph illustrate? Which of the gas laws does the graph? You know we have several gas laws. We have Charles' law, we have Boyle's law, we have Charles' law, we have Gay-Lussac law, we have Graham law. But then another assignment, please. Number 4. I'm sure you already know the general gas formula. Can you tell me the general gas formula? Just tell me the general. There's formula for gas law, Charles' law, Boyle's law, but there's the general one. If you can set it for me, I will appreciate it. Which of the gas laws does this graph illustrate? This particular graph you are looking at. The answer is it illustrates Charles' law. Charles' law states that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature if the pressure remains constant. That is, under constant pressure, the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. That is why in this graph you can see volume in the y-axis and temperature in the x-axis. Are you with me? Are you with me? Let's look at this question number 9. Remember that this is not the only video we have done on chemistry. I told you what you are watching is part 9. After part 9, there is part 10, part 12, part 20, and all the rest. Before part 9, we started from part 1, doing a lot of past questions, a lot of expo questions, a lot of expected questions, solutions. Now, I want you, after you are done with watching part 9, go over from part 1 and start watching. Watch it over and over and over again. Also, if you want me to give you the link, access to all the videos we have done on chemistry, you can ask me and I could give it to you. I could give you the link to all the videos. Just if you need it, just type under the comment, say, sir, please give me the link to all the videos you have done on chemistry. I will give it to you. And we have also done several videos on physics, several videos on biology, several videos on the JAMB novel, several videos on use of English, several videos on mathematics, chemistry, government, any literature. If you need if you need me to give you access to the videos or we have done, just mention the subject and I could give it to you, right? Okay, let's proceed. What process would coal undergo to give coal gas? Coal tar, ammoniacal liquor, and coke. You know, whenever coal is processed, it doesn't give just coal tar, it gives several other materials. Okay, what process would coal undergo to give coal gas, coal tar, ammoniacal liquor, and coke? The answer, is it A, steam distillation, or is it B, destructive distillation, or is it C, liquefaction, or is it D, hydrolysis? The answer is simple, destructive distillation. The process coal goes through, you know coal now, from it you go to coal tar, this one that is used for road construction and several other things. Okay, the process coal goes through is called destructive distillation. Remember, we have distillation, we have fractional distillation, and we now have destructive distillation. If you can, it's not a must, but if you can tell me the definition and difference between three of them, I will appreciate. Let me explain. Destructive distillation is a chemical process in which the composition of unprocessed material is achieved by heating it to a high temperature. The term generally applies to the process of organic material in the absence of air or in the presence of limited amount of oxygen or other reagents, catalysts or solvents such as steams or phenol. Now, if these things I'm saying you don't understand them in the first time, I encourage you, when you have watched this particular video to the end, come back and watch it again. Even if you watch it 2-3 times, it's important. The important thing is that you are preparing for a crucial exam. Okay, let's proceed. Liquid black soap. Liquid black soap is made by boiling palm oil with liquid extract of ash. Liquid black soap is made by boiling palm oil with liquid extract of ash. The function of the ash is to provide the dash. Okay, liquid black soap is made by boiling palm oil with black ash. The function of the ash is dash A. The function of the ash is to provide the A, acid, B, ester of aconic acid, D, C, alkaline, the alkanol. The answer is alkaline. The ash provides alkaline. Sodium hydroxide, also known as lime or caustic soda, is an inorganic compound with the formula NaOH. It is a white solid ionic compound consisting of sodium cations, sodium, and hydrogen anions. That is cations and anions. Okay. Okay, let's look at this question number 11. When water drops, I want you to pay attention. Remember, if you watch this video from here to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. Okay, and if you need me to give you the link to all the videos we have done, just mention the name of the subject and tell me, sir, please give me all the videos, the link to all the videos you have done on that particular subject. Okay, when water drops are added to calcium carbide in a container and the gas produced is passed through a jet and lighted, the resultant flame is called and dash. Pay attention, pay great attention. When water drops are added to calcium carbide in a container and the gas produced is passed through a jet and lighted. The resultant flame is called an dash A, oxytene, B, oxyhydrocarbon flame, C, oxyacetylene flame, D, oxymethane flame. The answer is C, oxyacetylene flame. Oxyacetylene flame. Okay, are you still here? By the way, if the videos I make are helpful to you, please let me know. If you are benefiting from the videos I make, let me know. Sometimes I feel nobody is watching. Sometimes I feel it's a waste of time. But if they are beneficial to you, let me know. Telling me that they are beneficial to you will motivate and encourage me to make more videos. Also, if there is certain type of videos I have not made that you need me to make, maybe a subject I have not handled, a topic I have not handled, let me know. I could do it, or I could tell my staff to do it. Which of the following substances is a mixture? Question number 12. A, granulated sugar. B, sea water. C, sodium chloride. D, iron filling. Remember, there is a difference between a mixture and a compound and even an element. I've asked that question in a previous part, so I won't ask you to give me. I've asked it previously. Which of the following substances is a mixture? A, granulated sugar. B, sea water. The answer is B, sea water. Sea water. Let me give you the explanation. In chemistry, a mixture is a material made up of two or more different substances which are not organically combined. A mixture is the physical combination of two or more substances in which the identities are retained and are mixed in the form of solutions, suspensions, and colloids. Examples of mixtures are air, soil, palm oil, seawater, blood, crude oil, etc. Do you understand? Do you understand? If you understood, let me know, please. Okay? Question number 14. 4 elements P, Q, R, and X have atomic numbers 4, 10, 12, and 14 respectively. Which of these elements is a noble gas? You know noble gas is not. I will explain. 4 elements P, Q, R, and S have atomic numbers 4, 10, 12, and 14 respectively. Which of these elements is a noble gas? A, P, B, Q, C, R, D, S. Remember the atomic numbers 4, 10, 12, and 14 respectively. The answer is B, Q, the one that has 10. Of course, when you are drawing the electron configuration, you put the first shell is 2, the second one is 8, maximum 8. So by the time you put 2 in the first one and come to the second shell and put 8, you now know you have finalized 10, and there will be no more space. There will be no free electron that can move out. They are most stable because they have maximum number of valence electrons in the outer shell can hold. Hence, they rarely react with other elements since they are already stable. Okay? Do you understand? The product of the thermal decomposition of ammonium triisonitrate 5 are the product of the thermal decomposition of ammonium triisonitrate 5 are A, nitrogen oxide and water. B, ammonia and oxide. C, nitrogen and water. D, nitrogen 4 oxide and water. When in the next video, that will be part 10, we will continue from question number 15, right? Now, for you to get the free materials I promise, do 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is to join our YouTube channel. Just find a way. There's a link. There's an option in our channel to join. Become a member. Click on join and become a member of this channel. It's compulsory. And it will give you access to me. You can ask me your questions. Number 2, like this video. Just boop the like button if you have not liked this video. Number 3, share this video. Click on share. Share this video here on YouTube. Click on share again. Copy the link. Paste that link on Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Share it to your classmates, your class group on Facebook, on YouTube, on WhatsApp. Share this link to all the Telegram groups you belong to. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So number one, join our YouTube channel. Click on join, compulsory. Go ahead, it's an investment. Join. Number two, like this video. Number three, share this video. Number four, subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send to you those materials. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.